Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix QR code scanner not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, check if QR code in camera is turned on or not. So for this, open settings and then scroll down and here click on camera. Now here you will see a scan QR codes button. So first of all, turn on this button to scan QR codes with camera, and after that if it's still not scanning the QR code, then clean your camera lens. So after cleaning your camera lens, your camera will start scanning the QR codes, and if it's still not working, then open settings and click on general. Now here click on software update and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if it's not updated to the latest iOS version, then update it, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your mobile, camera will start scanning QR codes, and if it's still not working, then open and close camera app 2 or 3 times, and after that it will start working scanning QR codes. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.